Hi, welcome back to Canny Coffee TV. We're now going to demonstrate how easy it is to do the daily clean on the Giga range of coffee machines. We're now going to clean the milk system. So we enter the program mode, clean the milk system, follow the on-screen prompts, takes approximately 2 minutes. Next, so we use Jura cleaning fluid, half a cupful into 250 ml of water, press start, and away it goes. It's now cleaning itself by drawing a mix of the cleaning fluid with the water up through the milk tube into the frother unit, cleaning the pipes inside the frother unit into the drip tray. You can go off and do other things while it's doing this because it will give you an audible prompt when the next stage of the clean is ready. Okay, there we go. It's now telling us to move the milk pipe into clean water. So we've got 250 ml of clean water. We press next. And again, the machine is now going to draw clean water up through the milk pipe into the frother unit and rinse. You should really do this with a jug underneath, but the drip tray is fine. This clean should be done at the end of each day as part of the daily clean down routine of any coffee shop or kitchen area. Okay, that's the milk clean. Now what we need to do is go back into the program, rinse the coffee system, and this again will deliver water from the water tank through the coffee brewing system and just rinse out any dregs of coffee that are inside. Okay, that's the clean over. The machine is now ready to power down. So we power down the machine, vents close. Okay. Right, the next thing to do on a daily basis is to dismantle the frother. So basically we take the milk pipe out, place that on the side, open up, and we pull off the pipes like so, quite straightforward. This comes off, dismantles. As you can see, this pulls apart like so, and we just run this under flowing water. It breaks down into 4 pieces like so, and we just rinse all of those under flowing water. When reassembling, I don't know if you can see this from the camera, but there's an arrow there and an arrow there. You push together like so, making sure the arrows are lined up. Okay, so quite simply, this slots back into the top like so, and this piece goes in there, and it all clicks together nicely like so. And then you just simply place back onto the machine, and it clicks into place like so. And then reinsert your milk pipe, all click back together again, and that's it, you're ready to go. Right, the only other thing the next thing to do is to obviously do the clean of the drip tray and the grounds. As you can see, that slots out like so. The grounds are in here. Okay, so they just empty into the bin. Take this to the sink, give a good wash, avoiding contact getting water onto these 2 probes here, but if you do, just dry them off. We've now moved into the kitchen, so basically we'll empty the grounds into the bin. Okay, there's a rubber thing on the back there, we just give that a rinse out. like so. Get rid of any coffee. We then take this off, again give it a rinse. Good practice to use a bit of detergent, like so. Give it a good clean, and then rinse off. Take the splash guard, again just give it a rinse. And then we'll give the drip tray a wash off. Again, a bit of detergent. Rinse. And then the drip tray, pour the water, and then just rinse out. There we go. Right, simple to reassemble. Basically, put this on. Okay. Drip tray goes on the front. And then the grounds container with the rubber at the back slots in like so, and then back to the machine. Right, the drip tray slots back into place. This magnetic splash guard just sits under, and that's it, the machine's clean for the day. Thank you for watching Canny Coffee TV. Look out for further videos on the Jura range of coffee machines.